Hey, and this spread we are going to be talking about money, personal finance, budgeting, and how you can incorporate that into your bullet journal so that you can track, be aware and conscious, and hit your money goals. By the way, there's going to be a free template to download down in the description box below. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel, PlannerVibez, where I utilize my bullet journal to live my best life. I'm going to be getting into this all throughout this video, but this spread is basically going to be a snapshot of your spending that will probably blow your mind. I know mine was. I'm starting off this spread with the header. I'm using my Sakura Pigma Micron pens and a ruler just to give it that clean rectangle look, but still freehanding some of those round edges. Up until I did this spread, I thought I was okay when it came to my finances and how I was spending my money, but this just put everything into perspective. I am currently reading this book. I'm sure you've heard of it, The Millionaire Fast Lane. And in the Compass of Wealth chapter, there is this passage that says, self-made millionaires does not become millionaire by stumbling into money. Your financial situation is a product of your existing roadmap. And that blew my mind. And I immediately knew that I had to become aware of my finances now. Right now, I'm really loving these pastel rainbow colors. As you know, I did this for my September setup, and I just went back in with those exact same colors. We've all heard of budgets, but that sounds complicated and tedious. But I really wanted to have a simple approach and a way to just ease myself into it. So you can kind of say this is step one, a spending tracker. As you can see, I'm adding in all the different months that's left in 2020. So I'm starting from July all the way to December. I don't track my spending on a day-to-day basis. This is a spread that I'm only going to go in and fill in once a month at the end of the month. And to really show you just how simple this is, I'm going to be showing you my July spending right in this video step by step. And by the end of the video, you're going to see my July month filled in. I'm going to be conscious of where my money is going and exactly how much. All banks nowadays have statements online, so I would just log in. Now I'm going into my Excel sheet, and it's very colorful, very vibrant, just so that it's very visual and easy to understand. First, we have in green, that's your income. So the first column is going to be your job, and then you're going to put the amount right underneath. The two next section is going to be your expenses, and blue is going to be your fixed expenses, and in yellow the variable expenses. So in blue we can have things like bills, you can put electricity and then the amounts, subscriptions, Netflix, food, groceries, and savings. So of course you're going to put in all kind of different things. Maybe you have debt or anything else that applies to you. And then in yellow you're going to have these variable expenses. These are expenses in which the amount changes from month to month. So for me, what I mostly spend on is Amazon, shopping, and eating out. Maybe for you that's Starbucks or anything else. Like I said, I only do this once a month. This is going to give you an overview month by month of all your spending. And then from here you can go in and make a graph, and to do this you're going to be turning all of these numbers into percentages. So the way you're going to be doing this is by dividing your total income by each expense. Let's say your total income is $2,000 and you spend $300 on groceries. So you're going to divide 300 by 2000, and that's going to give you 15%. 15% of your total income is spent on groceries. After you've done that with each category, we're going to go back in our bullet journal. And the reason why I love having it in my bullet journal is because it gives me a full view. When I look at this spread, it's going to be an overview of the last 6 months of spending. You are going to be able to see month by month how your money is spent, how you can allocate it better, and make money moves. As you can see here, each category have a different color, and I'm just coloring in. Like I said, you can get the Excel sheet down below. But that is it for this finance log. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you took some kind of knowledge. Subscribe, there are a lot more videos coming. Don't forget to leave a like, share this with anyone that needs to put this spread in their life. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Laters.